Namaste everyone, I am Sara.
And I am Tanvi.
Welcome to a journey that transcends words, where rhythm becomes the storyteller and movement brings history to life.
That's right. Tonight, we delve into the epic tale of the Mahabharata, not through speeches or songs, but through the universal language of dance.
Imagine this, a story where every character, from the virtuous Pandavas to the ambitious Kauravas, takes the stage to show their struggles, their triumphs, and their humanity.
The Mahabharata is more than a tale of war and peace. It's a mirror to our own lives. It shows how conflicts arise from misunderstandings, jealousy, and pride, but also how unity and peace can heal even the deepest wounds.
Remember how the Kuru kingdom was divided between the Kauravas and the Pandavas? That one decision sparked a series of events, a simmering family feud, treachery, and finally the war at Kurukshetra.
And through that war, we learned timeless lessons, the futility of greed, the power of righteousness, and the path from chaos to harmony.
Tonight's performance captures all this and more, war and peace, good and evil, woven seamlessly through rhythm and movement.
So, without further ado, let us welcome the dance troupe that will bring the Mahabharata alive. Brace yourselves for an unforgettable performance. Let's give a big round of applause to our dancers.
कहते हैं कि कुरुक्षेत्र की रणभूमि में वीर पुरुषों के बलिदानों पर लिखी गई महाकाव्य की रचना स्वयं महर्षि वेद व्यास ने की और भगवान श्री गणेश ने उनके कहने पर इस काव्य को अपने हाथों से पन्नों पर उतारा। इस महाकाव्य का नाम है महाभारत।
That was absolutely mesmerizing. The way they brought the Mahabharata to life through dance. It was like watching history unfold in real time. Every movement was filled with emotion, from the tension between the Pandavas and Kauravas to the final resolution of peace after the war.
I couldn't agree more. It's incredible how they captured the essence of such a complex story. War, betrayal, redemption, through their expression and movements. It wasn't just a dance. It was a living, breathing narrative. Truly unforgettable. Let's give them a big round of applause.